Hello everyone, in this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how to fix your sound issues when you connect your computer to an external monitor. So let's get right to it. The first thing you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is search for manage sound devices. Okay, so usually the issue is that your computer tries to connect to the external monitor speakers, but in most cases your monitor may not have a speaker, hence your sound doesn't work. So all you have to do is simply switch it back to the old sound, the default sound system on your computer. So the way to do that is click on the current speakers and then disable it. And once you disable it, usually it reverts back to the default sound system. So you could click here and test it. If you hear the sound working, that means everything is good. Um, and that's about it. Hope this helps. Leave a comment below and let me know if this helps. Thank you. Peace.